Hello everyone, this is Terry from Harmonic Forex. Just a few announcements before I start off with my weekly video analysis. The team and I, Sneha, Bunhui and I, will be heading to Poland on the 9th of March 2016 to meet our master Scott Carney. So this will be the first time that we will be meeting Scott Carney live, and just stay tuned for all our updates that we will share with you while we are at Poland. So we hope that we can, learn everything from the master himself and come back to impart all the knowledge to all our clients and students. And definitely, if you are following us weekly on our website, just be assured that whatever we learn from Scott Carney, we'll try our best to share all this wonderful knowledge with you guys. And please make this the #1 website that you go to for harmonic trading knowledge. Is it okay? Okay, enough of my announcement. So I'm heading to market analysis for this week. The biggest, and I think NFP just happened last Friday, and a lot of you guys might be looking at the oil, the gold, and of course the Euro USD currency pair for opportunities to buy or sell. So I will be covering these three pairs, starting off with the oil. So as you can see, oil has steadily tumbled from last year June, the high of $60 all the way to about $26.50. So the primary trend is still bearish, and what I can foresee is it heading up to the $40 level. So why do I say so? It's because of this sharp pattern that is forming on the oil. So this is how it looks like. Now all these measurements, it can be freely downloaded from the web. Understanding how to draw the pattern is only 50% of what we do here at Harmonic Forex. The most important thing to know is how to execute a pattern like this. So this sharp pattern suggests that oil will continue going north next week. And once it reaches this $39.70 to $40.15 zone, okay, let me make sure that all my lines are perfect. Okay. So once it reaches this zone around $39.73 and $40.40, this is the zone where we will be looking to take some actions. Okay, just sharing one of the strategies that we teach to our clients. Once price hits this zone here, what you have to watch out for is that price will react to this zone, preferably with a nice pin bar, or I call it a pin bar, and followed by a candlestick reversal. And this is how we get into the trade. Do not place a pending order and pray that the price will just reverse from there. We used to do that in the past, and many times it stopped us out even though we have good trading opportunities. So for oil, if you happen to trade oil next week, wait for the price to hit this $40 zone. Wait for price to react to this zone and preferably do a reversal before you enter short. So the next question I guess you guys will have is, where will be the profit target? So this is how we do it. We draw a Fibonacci from this level to this level here. And from 40, you can expect it to retrace at least to a $34 zone, provided it does the reversal, candlestick pattern at this $40 zone. So this is oil. I see this long-term trends should be still sloping down, and any buying setups, just be careful. Do not hold for too long. Shorting setups, I will be more, comfortable to hold on for the longer term. Okay. So the next pair are gold. A lot of our guys trade gold, and it just happens that we have a similar setup happening on gold. Yep, it's also a perfect sharp pattern. So this is the zone that we will be watching, the 1276 and 1281 zone. We hope that this zone will be fully tested. It looks like this if I map in my triangles. Okay, we have a perfect confluence around this 1 to 81 zone, and oops, what did I press? Okay, and if I draw in some trend line, you know, this really likely is an outlier zone where there should be some market reaction to it. So this is gold. We hope that, you know, Monday it gaps up and touches the 1 to 81 zone, and that is where we will be looking for setups to go short on the gold. Yep. Profit target. Let me repeat the same steps that I showed earlier. So from this low all the way to 1 to 81. Okay, 1 to 81. Be prepared to write at least $100 on the gold. And I'm actually pretty comfortable to let this short trade ride all the way down, probably to challenge this $1,000 zone. So this is gold, and this is how we are going to trade gold for the next week. Last but not least, this is the euro dollar. So just want to share with you some trades that I did, just last Friday, and it's a pity that I didn't get to hold this trade and write it to my first profit target due to NFP. So in harmonic trading, what we like to do is that we usually ignore the news, but if there are high impact news like the NFP happening, we will do things like protect our trade setup so that our profitable trades don't end up in a loss. So what I did was I did a long on a euro dollar somewhere around this candle close. It went up, and I set my after it went up, I set my stop loss to my entry zone so that my profit will not be become a loss. And just nice during NFP is the euro dollar spiked down about 60 pips, and I just got stop out right at my entry price, and it went up and hit my profit target 1, which is the 382 retracement of this C to D leg. Just nice, it hit the profit target 1, and I could have made maybe 140 pips, but I ended up with only a break-even trade on this pair. But what does next week, what do I foresee for the upcoming week? I'll really see the euro dollar continue to strengthen. I look across most of the dollar denominated pairs, and I see the dollar retracing for the next few weeks or months. So euro dollar, potentially I'm looking for it to challenge this zone here. Yep, just let me map in all my levels. Okay. So euro dollar, next week I will still be looking for setups to go long on the euro, and I hope that it could challenge this this bad pattern completion around 1.158 to 1.1615. So we hope that we'll get a nice ride out of the euro. If it comes back and challenges this zone one more time, I'll be looking for some extreme RSI divergence to go long, and preferably right 700 pips north for euro dollar. So this is what I have for you this week in week 10 market analysis. So I hope that you enjoyed whatever I shared with you today, and just stay tuned. Always keep coming back to this website for all this great forex harmonic analysis. We are the official trading education partner of Scott Carney, the original creator of harmonic trading, and rest assured that you will only get the best and most quality information from us. Next week we will probably be in Poland to meet Scott Carney, so there might not be a weekly video analysis, but what I can do for you guys is to potentially just do up a post, write a post on my market analysis for the upcoming week. So stay tuned. I hope to see you guys again next week, and this is Terry signing off. Thank you so much. Have a great week ahead, everyone. Cheers.